Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, the product specialist with Camping World, and today we're going to briefly go over the AC unit and some quick maintenance so you can get the maximum life out of your AC. The current unit we're in today is the 2018 Mallard M26. It's a beautiful rear bunk model with the super slide. If we take a look at the AC unit here itself, we'll see this one is a roof mounted AC with dual ducting, so that way it keeps it cool. Great even cooling throughout the RV here. This one also has the wall thermostat. Now there are a couple other kind of AC units. You may have a completely wall mounted unit, or you can have a roof mounted unit with the controls on the AC unit itself, or maybe you even have a quiet cool AC where you have the two air intakes rather than the large box with the quick dump like we have right here. One of the things all of them have in common though is the air filter. And when it comes to the maintenance of the AC, this is really the only thing we have to take care of, and it's pretty simple, and today I'm going to show you how. For sidewall AC units, you generally just drop the face down, and right behind that is your filter. Now this one, as you'll see, is not foam, it's more of a mesh, so this one you will just simply rinse out and allow it to dry, then put it back in. For your roof-mounted AC unit, with the controls on it, it's very similar. You do have a couple different kinds. You may have them where they have one on each side. That'll have your mesh filter. This one I'm in right here has your foam filter, and it's a little bit trickier in order to get it, but just like so, if you actually reach up into the vent, you can push this part down, and then you will again reveal your mesh filter right there. For this particular unit, it is right up top here. It's quite easy to access too. We'll have these two tabs. We just pull those tabs in. That will allow this unit to drop right down and come off. And if you look at the unit itself here, you will see this thin filter, which is basically just held in place with a couple rubber bands. We'll simply remove those rubber bands, try not to lose them, and then you'll take this unit out. Now because this is a brand new RV, it is a very clean filter. However, if you haven't cleaned it before, this will certainly be nice and dirty. You'll have a bunch of dirt and dust in here. What you'll want to do is actually run that under some water and to help clean it out. And then you'll want to dry it out. You'll kind of squeeze it like this in order to wring all the water out of there. If you want, you can use a mild detergent like dish soap in order to aid cleaning. When you're done with that, you'll simply reinstall it, put the rubber bands back on, and then put the unit back up. That's basically all there is to it, folks. And again, that'll help maintain your AC and make sure you're getting the maximum life out of it. Thanks again for watching. If you have any other tips that you would like to see or any other how-to videos, please let me know. Just leave a message or comment here on this video. Thanks guys, see you next time.